Tarsar Marsar trek started from a small and beautiful Aru village. From Aru, we headed straight up for 10 kilometers towards Liderwad. Walking in the lush green meadows next to the Lider river, we crossed a small bridge and reached our first campsite, Liderwad. The 10-kilometer long trail was tiring. How was it? The next day, making sure everyone was fit and healthy, we packed our campsite and headed to our next destination. Crossing a river on small wooden bridge and following our guide Abdul Chacha, we hiked 5 kilometers and reached our home for the next day, Shekhwas. The campsite was situated in a beautiful valley between rolling mountains, and we had to see it all. Our excitement knew no bounds on the next day as we reached the Tarsar campsite. The locals call this lake God's Lake due to its calmness. Camping next to the lake was a blissful experience very few treks offer. Some of us had to return back to Aru on the next day. We parted our ways with heavy hearts, but everything's beautiful in the mountains, even goodbyes. The rest of us continued our journey with huge smile on our faces and the excitement of what lies ahead, though we wish we could stay at this place for another day. A steep ascent took us to the Tarsar Pass, followed by a descent and a gentle ascent towards Sundarsar. We pitched our tents with the Sundarsar lake in view. After a soul-satisfying lunch, we headed on a path full of boulders towards the hidden lake. A few kilometers from the Sundarsar campsite is Marsar. Stories say that anyone who takes a dip or goes near this lake is instantly pulled inside, and hence the name Marsar. After enjoying the majestic lake view from the top, we were back to our campsite and activities followed. I also learned how to move the Himachali way, and the day ended in fun and frolic. Next day, we again started to descend down to Liderwad, which would be our last campsite of the trek. While on the descent, we saw shepherds cleaning their sheep in a nearby stream. We never thought they do take a bath, so we stayed there for a while. Through a path with small ups and downs, we reached Liderwad, which would mark the end of the trek. Past few days felt like a dream to us. Camping near the alpine lakes, galloping in the meadows, and the company of such warm people, we made memories that will last forever.